Can humans save the planet using technology? Hi there, it's Kay, and welcome back to Elite Tech Royalty. Technology may sometimes be the root of the problem, but also serves as a key component to the remedy. Douglas Macaulay, a professor of marine sciences at the University of California, Santa Barbara, believes in this. And so, he wanted to use Facebook and cutting-edge technology to save the rarest creature on the planet. In this video, we'll learn about the technologies that humans can use to save the planet. Does this sound interesting to you? Then let's get this another journey started. Facebook for fish. The goal of Douglas Macaulay is to protect threatened marine species by using cutting-edge technology. In 2018, his goal is to conserve the giant sea bass, a sea monster that can reach lengths of almost 3 meters and have the capacity to eat a medium-sized shark in one gulp. However, these creatures are the closest thing to extinction you can find. The giant sea bass once flourished along the Pacific coast, but gillnet fishing and sports fishing have wiped out the species. 1/5 of their population, or 97 of them, were sold in California alone in 2017. Technological developments across the globe enable fishermen to dive further and deeper than before. As a result, the future of the oceans is in serious condition right now. But Macaulay has a strong belief that science may provide us with better guidance on how to respond to these threats. He set down a baited underwater camera in an effort to capture any pictures of any giant sea bass. Conventional tagging techniques are challenging to use since giant sea bass are rare species. Therefore, Doug has created a creative way of tracking them. A photo archive that can pinpoint their locations, a fish-specific version of Facebook. In an effort to get a glimpse of one of these massive and elusive sea creatures, the baited remote underwater camera was cautiously dropped into the depths where it would be continuously filming. Doug thinks his Facebook for giant sea bass will have the same impact as his earlier success with his GPS for sharks. There is an algorithm for analysis that can swiftly scan and identify specific fish. In this way, he could make a case for adding other marine protected areas once he saw that the species was swilling other maritime regions. If this happens once more, a piece of technology is utilized to make a difference. Before we continue, if you've come this far in this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe, or let us know what you think in the comment section. Electric vehicles. The problem with the environment has always been greatly exacerbated by cars and other vehicles. We rely on cars for transportation, delivery of our goods, getting to and from work, and other uses. But conventional fossil fuel-powered cars destroy the environment. In some countries, electric vehicles are the future, a way to modernize the transportation system. However, in the Philippines, it is still debatable if the transition is truly for the better of the citizens or not. Regardless, electric cars or those powered with environmentally friendly fuel are truly a way to solve a part of environmental problems and pollution in the country. Solar panels. Utilizing renewable energy sources is necessary for environmental preservation, and even a modest bit of effort can have a big impact. Solar panel materials are at the center of many emerging technologies. We may now use solar-powered glass in our homes and workplaces and drive on our solar-powered roadways. Obviously, in the developed world, roads occupy a lot of land. Now, scientists are working to maximize them through technology. For instance, solar panel highways may be heated and made safer by utilizing the energy inherent in them, in addition to supplying electricity to the national grid. Solar panel installation might be made much simpler by using solar glass panels instead of conventional windows. If installed in enough homes, there is a possibility that the glass might generate as much as 40% of the use's electricity. CO2, carbon dioxide absorbing buildings. Sadly, there aren't enough trees in the world to absorb all the carbon dioxide that humans make. Fortunately, researchers and experts have created various strategies for carbon dioxide absorption. An intriguing solution has been created by Ecologic Studio in the form of an exterior shell for buildings made of algae. Using this method, contaminated air is sucked in, carbon dioxide from algae is captured, and then photosynthesized oxygen is released back into the environment. After that, The algae can be utilized as a fertilizer. Smart cities. A smart city is a place where there's a high priority on environmental protection and sustainability. These cities use sophisticated technical systems that are made of numerous interconnected machines that cooperate to collect and send data via the network. These smart cities will connect a wide range of infrastructure, including traffic lights, smartphones, cars, trains, homes, and even trash cans via the cloud. These communities should be able to afford carbon dioxide-intensive gridlock, lower overall energy usage, and raise the living standards of their citizens. There are cities that are already being considered for or transformed into smart cities. At some point in the not-too-distant future, Amsterdam, New York, and Singapore are all contenders to become fully-fledged smart cities. Kinetic pavements. The concept behind kinetic pavements is rather straightforward. Every time someone walks over these pavements, electricity is produced. When people walk over pavements, the kinetic energy they generate is converted to electric energy, which can then be utilized to run local lampposts, traffic signals, or public charging stations. There are a few kinetic pavements already in existence, but for the most part, they are still experimental or more novelties. However, these kinetic pavements might end up being typical for the city sidewalks in the future, reducing the need for fossil fuels in the process. With all these technologies, we can truly say that even while it occasionally contributes to bad things, technology may also serve as a solution, especially when it comes to safeguarding the environment. More fish nerds, experts, and computer nerds need to be studying everything from solar panels and even the bottom of the oceans. As humans, we must better manage the environment if we want to appreciate it more. If it is used intelligently, technology can really be a foundation for understanding how we can contribute to the preservation of the planet. What do you think about this? Do you have other technology in mind that can help save the Earth? Let us know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, click the like and share icons. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated and notified when we post videos like this one. We appreciate your time and we'll see you at the next one.